Ever wonder what that burst of static is at the end of a radio transmission? That's called the squelch tail, and on the Tidradio TD-H3 you can control it with menu 30, tail. Turn it on and the radio cuts out that noise for smooth, clean audio. Turn it off and you'll hear the raw squelch tail at the end of every transmission. Want clarity? Keep it on. Want audio cue for when someone unkeys? Try it off. Either way, menu 30, tail puts that choice in your hands. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to help me grow the channel.